Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out more information about the car that you are interested in on the Trovit Cars application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the search button down below and search for a car. After finding the relevant one and you would like to know more about this car, tap on the more information button down below and you will be directed to a page where you can read about the car and each of the relevant details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.